Hey everyone, welcome to this full stack web development course. In this tutorial series, we are going to build a complete school management system using Laravel Inertia.js and React from scratch. If you have ever wanted to combine Laravel's power on the back end with modern JavaScript front end without building a separate API, this is the perfect course for you. We are going to build a school management system from ground up that includes student, teacher management, class and subject management, authentication, authorization, rule and permission, file upload, localization, validations, reusable layouts, and many more. This course is structured into three sections: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. In the beginner section, we will cover all the foundational topics necessary to get started with Laravel, Inertia, and React. The intermediate section focus on practical skills, including the installation and usage of popular packages such as role and permission management, Excel integration, and more. We will also leverage tools like ChatGPT to assist with generating basic component and improving development efficiency. In the advanced section, we will dive into more complex features such as Laravel WebSocket, push notification, email integration, and variety of other advanced topics to enhance your application. For each video, there's also a dedicated GitHub branch so you can check out the code exactly as it was at the point in the video. Make sure to subscribe, follow along, and I will see you in the next video where we begin with the project setup.